Start.
Hello everyone, today we will be asking a parent that how does AI helps them in their daily tasks and parenting. So sir, how do you use AI in your professional and personal working space?
Professionally, as I run a sari shop, so for promoting my business and various products of my business, I use AI tools, and it helps me to create different type of videos to promote my product, and I can create various reels also which are trending these days. So reels can be accessed by various users frequently, and this way we promote our business. And in the personal life, as I can help my children to have better education and having their problems very easily, getting very easily solving the problems.
Yes, exactly.
So these things, I have used many tools to support the children, so they can use it and make the things easier.
Yeah. So sir, as a parent, what kind of AI tool would you suggest to your children for his or her academic support?
Like for language, they can use Duolingo,
Yeah.
and for mathematics, the photomath tool can be used, and for other interactive classes like Byju's AI tool can be used.
Yes.
This way I can suggest some tools which can help my child for better learning.
Yeah, that's great. Sir, how do you track your child's progress using AI?
Always there are some tools which allows you to keep track of your child's progress, and that way you can understand that what are the areas where child has to improve still, and this way child's progress I can track,
Yes.
and suggest my child that how he can improve upon those things where he is not learning properly or not getting the things properly.
Sir, what do you think that is AI safe for children regarding the academic purpose and other sectors? Is it safe for them to use AI?
See, in this digital world, I would suggest that the responsible use of AI is always helpful. And if it is being used for some malicious purposes or something wrong, then surely you are not going to get the proper benefit of the same and may divert your child to the wrong path. So I would suggest even all the children that they should use the AI tools responsibly and ethically also. They should not use it for their malicious purposes.
So, sir, as an active AI user and also as a parent, do you think that AI ever will replace teachers in education sector?
See, I think AI can complement the teaching learning process and can help as an assistant for education. But always I think that the personal human touch in the education and human involvement, that always having no replacement of the same. So I think that teachers' personal guidance is always at the top. That is why AI can be used as the supporting tool, but not as the complete replacement of the teachers.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us today.
Thank you so much.